What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Plus for the month of June. I apologize that this is going to be like a foreign film where my lips are moving and they don't go along with the words I'm saying, but for some reason both of my microphones did not work. And I don't want this video to go to waste, so I'm just gonna have to do a voiceover. I apologize, guys. So I'm just gonna get right into my Ipsy Plus. And the first product is this Murad clinically proven SPF 45 sunscreen. So sunscreen would be great for me if I ever went out in the sun. I work night shift and then I legit don't leave my house. So I'll probably put that in my giveaway pile. So the second product is this. It is a straight iron hairbrush. I actually received the exact same one from BoxyCharm a while back, and I mean, it works okay. I think the retail value is like $150 or something ridiculous like that, but since I already do have one, that will also be going in my giveaway pile. Alright, the third product, we finally are getting into the bag, which I think is kind of ugly, but I'm grateful to be getting a bag. So now we're going to get into it. And we have this Rowan lipstick. And it's a pretty color. I think it's a very universally flattering shade that will work for most people. Typical doe foot. And it does smell like peppermint. So it's a little bit more on the brown side than I would like, but it's still a pretty color. Next we have, I'm so excited for this. This is the Kimchi bronzer, and the shade I got is 01. Oh, I forget the exact name of it, but look how adorable this packaging is. Even if it was a horrible bronzer, I would keep it for this packaging. But fortunately, it looks like it's a very, very good shade for me. It's on the neutral tone side, and it's very light. It's super creamy. I remember that from swatching it. Yeah, I'm super excited about that. I actually am going to demo some, and I did not realize how pigmented it was going to be. And I screw my makeup up. Yeah, that's the look. I just put way too much bronzer on, and I need to fix it immediately. So yeah, that's definitely a very pigmented bronzer, but I am excited about it. And the last product is this Item Beauty mascara. It's it says 3-in-1 mascara, but one side is a primer and the other side is a colored mascara. So the violet side is supposed to be volumizing and a primer, and then I believe the colored side is lengthening, but let me show this to you guys if I ever get it out of the packaging. So it does say on the packaging which side's lengthening, which side's volumizing. So this is the lilac side, which is the primer. I'm trying to figure out which one it is because it doesn't say that on the container, but that is the priming side. And then the other side is this like electric blue mascara. And you know what? I realized I don't think I've ever had a colored mascara before. So this is something I'm actually really excited about. I'm at least excited to try. I don't know how it will look, but yeah, I'm definitely excited to see what it looks like. So overall, I'm really excited about that mascara. I'm super happy with that bronzer. Those two are gonna go for giveaways, so in the lipstick, you know, I could have done without, but we'll see. So yeah, that was my Ipsy Plus. If you received that mascara and have tried it, let me know in the comments below your thoughts on it. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.